Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable developer mode on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in settings, best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. You want to select the three horizontal lines up at the top, go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to go down and select privacy and security on the left side. Now you want to select for developers. These settings are intended for development use only. If you want to turn on developer mode, just toggle it to the on position and then select yes. And you can also turn on device portal as well as device discovery. And if you want to turn any of them off, you can just toggle them to the off position. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.